What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous of all the wines that are made in France. Yes, this is an appellation that is located around a village that it is named after. Yes, the famous village in the Rhone Valley of France that make wine from a blend of Syrah, Grenache and Mourvèdre grape varieties. We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical French pronunciation Châteauneuf du Pape wine. Châteauneuf du Pape. Châteauneuf du Pape Rhone wines. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce all of the wines from all around the world, yes, from France, but also Italy, Spain, all of the wines from all around the world, the regions, the grapes, everything you will find on this channel. Here are videos that you should watch next. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye. This wine, it looks delicious, doesn't it?